And nobody else, it's true. Something I never felt then I could be the one and only boy for you. Come close to me. I hope you like my call. Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. That said, quick disclaimers first. We're going to be looking at the song as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar, as well as teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these 5 chords right here. Starting it off with the G sharp major 7 chord, which is going to be like this. That is going to be 4, dead string, 5, 5, 4, dead string. Next up is going to be the A sharp minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And that is going to be 6, dead string, 6, 6, 6, dead string. Next up is going to be the C minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And for this one, we're going to be using our index finger to bar the 3rd fret from the A string down to the high E string. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be a dead string or a not included string on the lower E string. And personally, I mute this string with my index finger by just extending it a little bit so it rests there, not pressing on it to create that dead sound. Because if you do press on it, it's gonna sound like this, and that's going to be messy. That is going to be dead string 3, 5, 3, 4, then 3. Next up is going to be the F7 chord, which is going to be this one right here. Now for this one, once again, we're going to be using our index finger with the help of our middle finger now this time as an act of support for the 8th fret from the A string down to the high E string. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be once again a dead string in the lower E string. That is going to be 8, 10, 8, 10, then 8. Then lastly, it's going to be the D sharp 7 chord. Once again, same chord shape, but we're just going to be moving this from the 8th fret to the 6th fret. And that's going to be dead string 6, 8, 6, 8, then 6. So all in all, we've got the G sharp major 7 chord, A sharp minor 7, C minor 7, F7 chord, then the D sharp 7 chord. Okay, so assuming that you're going to be playing this song all by yourself with an acoustic or an electric guitar, I decided that the plucking pattern is a better way to go for this one. So we're going to be using this plucking pattern right here, which is going to be like this. Yep, just like that. So allow me to break that down for you guys. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to be plucking the bass, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time, along with the D, G, and the B strings all together, waiting it out for 1 count, slapping the fretboard. Once again, bass, D, G, and B strings all together, and slapping your fretboard. It's going to be like this. So with chords now this time, so with the bass being the lower E string, with for example a G sharp major 7 chord right here, it's going to be bass, or in this case the lower E string, along with the D, G, and the B strings all together, waiting it out for 1 count, slapping the fretboard. Once again, bass, D, G, and B strings all together, slapping your fretboard. Yep, it's going to be like this. Just like that. And for chords that have the root note as the A string, it's going to be, for example, like a C minor 7 chord, which is going to be this one right here. For this one, it's going to be the A string, D, G, and the B strings all together, waiting it out for 1 count, slapping the fretboard. Once again, bass, D, G, and B strings all together, and slapping your fretboard. It's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. It's going to be. You get the gist. And with that said, this entire plucking pattern will be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the intro as well as the verse sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So it's going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our plucking pattern twice. It's going to be like this. A sharp minor 7 chord for the same 4 counts as well. C minor 7, F7 chord for 4 counts as well, A sharp minor 7 for 4, then the D sharp 7 for 4. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. And lastly, for the outro as well as the chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Now, to make it as accurate to the original audio of the song as possible, we're going to be playing the first 2 chords of this chord progression a little bit different compared to the rest of them. So for the G sharp major 7 chord, we're going to be plucking the bass, D, G, and the B strings all together only once. It's going to be like this. Then make sure that you're going to be releasing the tension in your fingers here as quick as you can. It's going to be like this. Yep, like so. Just going to be plucking, then releasing. And we're just going to do that for this chord once. It's going to be like this. Yep, that's going to be for 4 counts. Next up is going to be the A sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts as well. But this time, instead of just doing that thing once, we're going to be doing it twice now this time. Like that, for 4 counts as well. Then for the rest of the chords in this chord progression, we're back with the usual plucking pattern. It's going to be the C minor 7 chord for 4 counts, F7 for 4 counts, A sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, D sharp 7 chord for 4 counts, then G sharp major 7 chord for 8 counts now this time. G sharp major 7 chord being for 8 counts means that we're going to be doing our plucking pattern for this chord 4 times. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. As long as it's just you and me and nobody else, it's true. Something I never felt, then I could be the one and only boy for you. Come close to me, I hope you like my company. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this point of the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks smile way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.